Hi guys, welcome to my channel ReViewism. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can change the profile picture of your friend on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, you have to open the Facebook profile of that friend whose profile picture you want to change. Keep that profile open in a tab and then go to a new tab. Then you have to search for the photo that you want to use in place of original profile picture of your friend. Go to Images. Once you find the desired photo, you have to right-click on it. Go down in the available options and select Inspect or Inspect Element. After that, you have to right-click on the highlighted area and right-click again to select Edit as HTML. Copy the URL written in inverted commas after image source and copy it. Go to the tab in which you have opened the Facebook profile of your friend. Right-click on the profile picture and select Inspect or Inspect Element. And then select Edit as HTML. Here delete the URL of original image and paste the copied URL of your desired image. Now you can see that profile picture of your friend has changed. Please note that profile picture does not change permanently. Change is temporary and profile picture will be restored once you reload the tab. You can use this trick just to amaze your friends. Hope you liked the video. For more videos on technical issues, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about every latest upload from our channel.